Okay, for our practice today, we'll do some stretching and then we'll get moving. Should feel really good first thing in the morning or really any time of day. I've got some peppermint and wild orange diffusing. It's got a really good uplifting scent. So we'll start in Sukhasana. Hands come to your knees, palms down or palms up. Press down through your sits bones. Lift from the crown of your head. Start to deepen your breathing, deepen your inhale, lengthen your exhale even a little longer. Set aside your to-do list. Bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale through your nose. Sigh it out through your mouth. Do that again. Big breath in. Big sigh out. One more time. Inhale. This time at the top, hold your breath. Sip in a little more air. Hold that. And sigh it out. Good. Move into child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching. Extend your hands towards the top of the mat for extended child's pose. Feel a gentle release through your lower back. Continuing with that nice steady breath. And then inhale, come up to table, moving into cow and cat. Let your belly drop, lift your gaze, lift your tailbone, inhale. Press the mat away, round through your back, chin towards your chest as you exhale. We'll do that a few times. Inhaling, slight bend in your elbows, moving into cow. Exhale, round through your back, cat pose. One more time like that. Inhale, belly drops, gaze lifts, tailbone lifts. Exhale, press the mat away, round through your back. And then come back to neutral spine. Bring your right foot back, tuck the toes, press through your back heel, getting that stretch through your calf. Inhale, bring that foot up. Exhale, set it to the left side of the mat. Look over your left shoulder towards that foot. Breathe into your side body. Should feel really good here. And then inhale, bring it behind you. As you exhale, bring it to the right and set it down. Come down to your elbows. And then you can stay right here. This might already feel like enough of a stretch, or you can shift your hips back, finding child's pose with that leg extended. And then come back up to table, now bring your left foot back. Good. Press through your heel. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale to the right side of the mat. Look over your right shoulder towards that foot. Breathe into that left side body, and then inhale as you bring it back behind you again. Exhale, set it off to the left. Come down to your elbows, maybe staying here, or maybe shifting it back to child's pose with that leg extended. Breathe into that inner thigh. Never force, just find where your body wants to go today. Move it there. Inhale, come back to table. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. We're going to find some movement here coming up. One breath per movement. But of course, you can move at your pace, just doing the best you can. Come forward to your forward fold. Find your halfway lift, big breath in. Exhale to fold. And then root to rise. Press in your feet, sweep your hands to the side, all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, hands move to your forehead, right between your eyebrows, and then your heart. And then find mountain pose. Good. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, swan dive forward, forward fold, step it back to downward facing dog. On your inhale, roll yourself out to plank, lower your hips, lift your heart, cobra. On your exhale, shift it back to child's pose. Inhale, come right back to cobra, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, step your right foot forward, find warrior one. Exhale, move into warrior two, adjust your feet if you need to. Inhale, reverse with a straight leg. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhale, find five-pointed star, point your toes out. Exhale, goddess, hands come to heart. Inhale, right back up to 5-pointed star. Exhale, warrior 2 to the back of the mat. Inhale to reverse your warrior straight leg. Exhale, T your arms, find triangle pose. Inhale, send your right hand down, around, and up, warrior 1. And then exhale, forward fold at the back of your mat. Good. Halfway lift on your inhale. Exhale to fold. And then root to rise. Sweep your hands all the way up. Exhale, hands to mountain pose. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Step it back, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll it out. Find cobra pose. Exhale to child's pose. Inhale, cobra one more time. And then exhale, find downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, rotate the back heel down, warrior 1. Exhale, open up, find warrior 2. Inhale, reverse your warrior and straighten your front leg. Exhale, T your arms, find triangle pose. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, goddess pose. Good. Lift your right heel up and set it down, and then left, down. One more time like that. Right, down, left, down. Now lift both heels. Try to stay on your tippy toes. As you inhale, find your 5-pointed star. I fell down, but that's okay. Do the best you can. Stay in your 5-pointed star. Inhale, and then exhale. Find warrior 2 facing the front of the mat again. Inhale, reverse, straighten that front leg. Exhale, T your arms, find triangle. Inhale, warrior 1, rotate your arms up. Exhale, just step it forward to the top of the mat. And bring your hands to mountain pose. Let's take one shoulder circle, inhaling up. Exhale, down. Good. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, swan dive forward, step it back, downward facing dog. Roll yourself out, big long wave. Let's do one more cobra pose. Lift through your heart. Exhale, shift it back to child's pose. Then walk your hands towards the right side of the mat. Breathe into that left side body. Inhale, exhale to the left side of the mat, breathing into the right side body. Move it back to center. Start to walk your hands back towards your knees. Roll it up. One vertebra at a time, taking your time. Sitting back in hero's pose or whatever pose is comfortable. Take a breath. Bring your hands to your heart center. Deep breath in through your nose. Side out through your mouth. And have a beautiful day, everyone.